Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go straight to the subscribe button and click on it. Most importantly, help us click the like button down below. That way we're encouraged to put out more reliable and authentic news. Lastly, please leave your opinions in the comments section below as well. Bid by Rivers State to halt proceedings in the hearing of a suit seeking to shut down all expenditures of Governor Siminalayi Fubara failed at Federal High Court Abuja on Friday, as the judge, Joyce Abdulmalik, described the request as frivolous, unwarranted, and mischievous. Rivers State's government and other defendants in the suit had sought stay precedents pending the hearing and the determination of the appeal already filed before the appeal court in the suit filed by Martin Omauli, as first and second plaintiffs had sued the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) and 9 others in the suit marked FHC ABJ CS 98424. The plaintiffs, through their lead counsel, Joseph Daudu San, filed the suit dated July 14 but filed July 15. They listed the CBN, Zenith Bank PLC, Access Bank PLC, and the Accountant General of a Federation (AGF) as first to fourth defendants. They also joined Fubara, Accountant General, AG of Rivers, Rivers Independent Electoral Commission, Chief Judge, CJ of Rivers, Honorable Justice S.C. Amadi, Chairman of RSIC IEC, Honorable Justice Adolphus Enebeli, retired, and Government of Rivers State has 5th to 10th defendants, respectively. The Assembly and Mr. Mauli, a faction lawyer to Mr. Yosom Wike, and the state's former governor and FCT minister, sought an order of interlocutory injunction restraining the CBN, the commercial banks, including the AGF, from honoring any financial instruction issued by Fubara regarding the state's funds. However, the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Mr. Oko Jumbo, filed a notice of change of counsel on August 6th. The Oko Jumbo led assembly, loyal to Governor Fubara, had told the court that Mawuli was not the lawful Speaker of the Assembly, his seat having been declared vacant on December 13, 2023, following his detention from People's Democratic Party (PDP) to All Progressive Congress (APC). The Assembly therefore told the court that Amawuli was not authorized to file the instant suit, hence it has decided to change its counsel. The first plaintiff hearing has changed their counsel, J.B. Daudu San of J.B. Daudu and Co., and now briefed S.A. Somiari San of Sami Soniari and Associates for the purpose of legal representation in this suit, the Oko Jumbo-led assembly said. Justice Abdulmalik also dismissed the application for change of counsel after it was moved by Somiari. The judge equally dismissed the oral applications by the defense lawyers, including Femi Falana, who appeared for 7th and 9th defendants, seeking an adjournment to enable them response to the processes served on them by the plaintiffs. Falana, in his argument, had told the court that he was just served a bundle of documents few minutes before the proceedings through the plaintiff and that he would need more time to respond. The proceeding is ongoing, as at the time of filing the report, Rivers government had adjusted to hearing of the suit in Abuja, but was turned down by the court. This prompted the state government to approach the Court of Appeal to intervene in the matter. The state government filed an appeal marked CAABJ CV 1197-2024 and filed a motion seeking the Federal High Court to stay proceedings until its appeal is determined. You all, what are your thoughts? Let's have them in the comment section below. What do you all think of this? Before we go, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. From Akin Nawo Olufemi, APC Court of Nigeria, judiciary is the most useless body in this country because they dance to the government in power and their evil APC party. God will terribly judge all of you with all these your nonsense and one-sided rulings. Folayo Adebayo says, all the obstacle Fubara is facing now, by God's grace, he will overcome it, and Wike will not be reckoned with in political atmosphere again in Nigeria. Prince Iroha says, both Wike and the governor will never and ever have peace until the end of the 4 years because they changed the will of God and Rivers State people for their own good by changing Labour Party winning to APC. Secondly, at the end of the 4 years, God will have mercy on the governor because at that 2023, he doesn't have the power to change the evils done by Wike. That's why now that he has the power, trying to correct the evils did already. But God will show mercy to whom he wants to. Mr. Governor will win at the end. Amen. Is that a prophecy? Shode Tunde says, I'm happy now that Mumu that won't come and rules Nigeria. Thank God Atiku defeat him in the primary. Can you see? Oh my gosh, English is hard. Let's go to another comment by Ifeanyi Chukwu. Mr. Wike, you are really a treacherous politician. After you and Hope Uzodinma sold your brothers out, now you think you will have peace. Consider this one as another defeat. You don't have shame at all. Otonye Opuda says, what do you expect in a zoo republic where Wike is doing a road that leads to his house, as well building for them? APC and Wike plus Akpabio is the worst thing that have happened to Nigeria. Lastly, from Chinedu Unjoku says, all federal judges are doing the biddings of Wike and by extension, Tinubu. My advice to Fubara is never honor any court order that stands to favor Wike and his coyotes against the interests of government and people of Rivers State. Then let anarchy that will consume Tinubu to start from Rivers State, since Tinubu has refused to stop Wike from troubling Rivers State. Imagine, is it only Wike that was a former governor that has issues with his successor in Nigeria that is troubling his successor? You all, what do you all think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for always listening and watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.